Getting the free up space on your device to restore your media error on WhatsApp on your iPhone. This happens when your device runs out of storage and can't restore your media files. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the storage issue and restore your media on WhatsApp. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap Delete app again. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp storage and data. Open up the WhatsApp. After that, tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down. Then tap Storage and Data. After that, tap Manage Storage. Now make sure to remove unwanted or large data from here. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. That's how you can fix the free up space on your device to restore your media error on WhatsApp on your iPhone. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.